Hi, I'm Jeff Hicks with Task Force Tips, and today we're going to discuss how to replace the cartridge inside the CrewProtect 100. The first thing you want to do is remove the 4 thumb screws. So turn each of them counterclockwise. Then you'll want to take the grill off of the unit and using the provided tabs, pull upward on the cartridge. This is also a good time to reach in and lightly clean the blade surfaces of the fan. Once you get the new cartridge and set it into the CrewProtect, making sure that this side up is showing, then simply set the grill back on, push down and tighten the 4 thumb screws. And with the used cartridge, you can simply throw that away in trash. There's no byproduct, anything that's going to come out of it. You can just toss that away as normal, and you're on your way. When you turn it on, make sure you see the lights all 3 flash, and the blue light should indicate everything's running okay. Any other questions? Check us out at tft.com, and thanks for watching.